Eskasak ezagutzen ditudan rapero MC haien rimetan ez da.
This picture is figurative. There is a boy and he runs. He is wearing trousers and a jacket. The colors of the picture are green, brown and yellow.
There is a message. It says Capone. We love the picture. If this picture is a figurative, there is one person. The person, he hasn't got glasses. He is sad. The color of his picture brown, pink, blue, red. There is a message. I like this picture.
This picture is figurative.
There is a monster.
The monster is happy.
The colors are pink, black, purple.
We like the picture
Because it is happy.
This picture is figurative.
There is one person.
Trix has got glasses and mustache.
He is sad.
This color this picture blue and yellow.
There is message is Curtis 2012.
I like this picture.
This picture is abstract.
There are big buildings and letters in the wall. The colors are pink, blue and red. There aren't any person or animal.
We love the picture. This picture is figurative. It's on person. The person's are gills.
The colors is grey and black. She has got a long hair.
We like this picture.
The picture is figurative.
She is person.
She is happy.
She hasn't got short hair.
She has got long hair.
Their colors in their picture are blue, green and pink.
The message is Soriana is symbol. This is picture. It is figurative.
There is a girl.
She is sad.
The colors are black, purple, pink, blue and brown.
She has got curly hair, short hair.
She has got big nose and brown big edges. We like the picture. This picture is figurative. There is a man. He is wearing a hat. There are stars in the hat. He is wearing a blue jacket and white t-shirt. There is a message and it says Capone one your likes. I like the graffiti.
This picture is figurative. There is an animal. It is a mussel. It is black and pink. He is happy. He has got a triangle. We love the picture.
This picture is abstract. There aren't animal or person. There are letters. Their letters are pink and blue. We like their picture.